Hi, today I'm for OPPO Reno 10 and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from power button on this device. So we should first open the settings and then scroll down to the additional settings. Tap the power button and click to press and hold power button and switch power menu to voice assistant. Now let's press and hold the power key button. So just to use assistant. And if you want to turn off your device, you should press up the power button and volume down. Oh, so this is to take a screen. So volume up button and the power button together to activate power off menu. So to unlink Google Assistant from power key, you should switch voice assistant to power menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.